Welcome to your next escape in Tsumagoi village at Kita-Karuizawa, a well-kept villa surrounded by nature. This home feels like your own private forest with breathtaking seasonal views all year round. A flat car park offers easy access with trees welcoming you at the entrance. It is a 3-bedroom villa on 1,211 square meters of land, 113 square meters of indoor space. Step inside, you are welcomed by a warm traditional Genkan. And just to your left, the first bedroom, a ground floor tatami room surrounded by natural light with direct access to the terrace, where you are immersed in your own private forest with nature surrounds you in every direction. Each season transforms the scenery from spring blossoms, summer greens, fiery autumn leaves, and peaceful winter snow. Going up, the toilet is set in its own clean ventilated space. Then just steps away, a full bathroom area, complete with a double vanity, laundry zone, and a deep Japanese ofuro soaking tub. You will love how the tub faces a large window, giving you a peaceful forest view while you relax. Upstairs, you will find the second tatami bedroom nestled on its own level in this clever split floor design. This room is bright and peaceful with full-size windows on both sides that open up to the front yard and surrounding forest. Imagine waking up to a gentle sunlight streaming in and watching the seasons shift right outside your window. Head up once more, you'll reach the third tatami bedroom, also thoughtfully placed for privacy. Like the room below, it features wide windows on both sides, offering forest views that bring in soft light and fresh air. It's a home that truly lives with nature. Back on the main floor, the home opens up to a spacious living area with high ceilings, natural wood panels, and a wood-burning fireplace. Right beside it, a long terrace runs the length of the room. The kitchen and dining space are clean and ready to use, with ample storage and grid flow. It's truly a well-maintained home. This freehold villa is just 13 million yen, about 120,000 Singapore dollars. This villa is at Japan's top highland getaway. Just 2 minutes from Karuizawa Toy Kingdom, 25 to 30 minutes to Karuizawa Ginza Street, Karuizawa Prince Shopping Plaza, and all the exciting world-class ski resorts. 40 minutes to Japan's top onsen town Kusatsu. From home, only 28 minutes to Karuizawa Station and then 1 hour to Tokyo by Shinkansen. This ready-to-move-in home is a rare find. Grab it now! I'm Fon with Nihonest, ready to guide you.
Nihonest, みんなも日本です。あなたも日本